So this is the south view of the White House. We just got some food from a place called America's Best Wings, and I wanted to try their Philly. I know we're not in Philly, but hey, closest we gonna get. That looks good. He said I disagree. We're on the way to the White House. We're probably gonna have to park. I'm sure they don't have a street where we could just drive in front of it, huh? Yeah. Did not know Lyft has their own scooters. Are you serious? So it probably connects to the app, and then you get your scooters. That is so cool. Front of the FBI's building. Look at that. J. Edgar Hoover's FBI. They're huge. That is ridiculously huge. Oh man. There's the White House. Oh, hopefully we can get a better look. Look at all the cops protecting it over there.
All the boba trucks.
We're talking about the White House, and you see that boba. I might have to get some boba. So the White House is right over there. There's the White House, y'all. That's not the White House. I thought it was. It looks like it.
It's 1400 Pennsylvania.
Yeah, 1400.
It's
so
at 1600.
So this must be the Department of Treasury then, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. We're almost there. That still looks cool. Department of Treasury. I was right. Yeah.
I mean, it's still something.
That's the ones who print all the money, Eliott. Huge cheesecake factory right there.
Big.
People live up there too, on top. Goodness. I don't know if the president's coming out or what, but they're blocking this road like he is about to drive out of there. United States Secret Service. So Secret Service protects the president. I was telling the kids, and that's what it says. Was walking, and the Secret Service said stop right there.
Yeah,
they don't want anybody walking through there. Everybody has to stop. Let's see. I wonder who it is. Is that the president? I don't know. Uh-oh. Wow. Wow. It could be Joe Biden's wife. Because if it was the president, it would be way more cops than that. It must be like his wife or somebody important.
They got the Secret Service, they got the traffic stop. Probably Kamala.
Yeah, it could have been Kamala, huh? Kamala Harris? Could have been. Nobody's allowed to pass. They're having a lot of space between the motorcade. It cannot, yeah, comment down below. Do you think that was Kamala Harris or Joe Biden? Like,
I think if it was Biden,
if it was Biden, it would have been crazier, huh? Like helicopters in the sky and everything. Yeah. Hey, everybody, I forgot what this is called. It's that that needle-looking building. What is this called? I feel slow. Babe, what is that called?
I don't know, but
it's something important.
Look at all these food trucks.
I forgot. Look at that.
Wow.
I bet one of you all watching right now is like, Atrain. You don't know what that is? I don't. I'm sorry. I wasn't good in history class.
Neither was I.
Me neither.
That is a beautiful view. Look at that beautiful view. Wow. National Red Cross building right there. Oh, that's cool.
In memory of women of the Civil War.
Wow. The White House has to be over here somewhere.
So
because Kmoney said it's on 1600 Pennsylvania. So that means,
block.
and this is 1600 blocks, so it's somewhere over here. We gotta park somewhere to get out. But hopefully they'll let us walk through there. You think they will? No. Oh, there's people walking right there, so yeah.
Yeah, we've walked.
Secret Service is everywhere though. It's over there. There's the White House line. We gotta get over there, y'all. There it is. Yeah. Whoa, the White House. A parking spot right here by the White House. White House is that way. We're gonna walk over there. Let's go, y'all. Eliott family goes to the White House. All right, right across the street over here. We're on New York Avenue, 1700 block. Look, they're wheeling down the street.
I broke my ankle.
Look, it says the White House South View right here. You go down there. Let's go. So this is the south point of the White House. We're trying to go around to get in there. It's another view of the Washington Monument. We finally figured out what it is. So this is the south view of the White House. There we go. If somebody's on a roof, no telling. Probably snipers. Right up there. I expect the White House to be like this. Did you think we were going to be closer, guys? Be honest. Eliott said, it's all right.
Yeah, but that was gonna be closer.
Oh, they're saying the park is closed. We have to clear out. Oh, man. They're saying, get out of here. We got to hurry up.
Let's go. Let's go.
Said the White House is overrated. Is that true, Eliott? Yeah, she's like, it's overrated. Sean, you think it's overrated or you think it's cool?
I think it's small.
Yeah, it is.
It's overrated.
It's
Yeah.
like a castle, but
It's like a castle.
It's overrated.
I mean, yeah.
I didn't think it was
than that.
You saw houses bigger than that. Yeah, right. You heard
Oh
him.
my god.
Really? Really? Bigger than the White House? A house bigger? These kids. He's Cass said, I seen bigger. We
That
see
was
some.
only one side of the view.
Yeah, and
I
plus
didn't
it's
get to see
closed
the
now
other side.
anyway.
Yeah.
Over here they have some ice cream trucks and stuff parked on the side. And we're gonna try it. You act like you've never seen a squirrel before. Arizona kids, which ice cream truck?
God, it's a squirrel.
There's no line at this one. We're gonna go here. Let's see. Look, this looks good. They have these sandwiches. Ooh, wee, banana dip. We're gonna get the rainbow cup, and then let's see, the Oreo.
Daddy, I want
Which one?
Cookie spread.
You want the cookies? The Oreo cone dip.
That one.
Here, get us to them.
Up there.
Mom just got the strawberry ice cream slushy. Aliyah's getting a pina colada ice cream slushy too. Looks good. What do you got? Chocolate sprinkles, Cash? Ooh, Sean got the Oreo. Ooh, wee. Is it good? And then look at Faithy. Is that good? Yeah? She's like, I ain't talking to you, Daddy. More vlogs are coming. You all stay blessed.
And have a favorite.
Peace. More